I know what you're thinking. I just spent a ton of money and time investing in getting this website created for my business, but it's not making me any money. My name's Jess, and if you're new here, I create videos every single week for business owners like you who want to save time and look good online. And that's why today we're talking about why your website is not making you money and bringing you clients. Because trust me, I know how much work goes into a website. And I was thinking about this the other day because just a few months ago we got Morgan trained. Right, Morgan? Yeah. It would be totally pointless if we didn't continue to work on those things that he worked on in training, because otherwise, why did we pay all that money? So let's talk about it. Why is your website not bringing in clients and making you money? The first reason is honestly, it might just be sitting there. As a business owner, you need to stop thinking of your website as just this stale brochure. It is a dynamic piece of your marketing, and you should be updating it and adding value to your potential clients. And by updating it, I don't mean you have to redesign it 4 times a year or redesign pages every single month, but you should be, updating your pricing if that changes, add new testimonials. If you have a portfolio or client area that you can show case studies and things of that nature, be updating that. One of the easiest ways to draw people in and provide value is content creation, whether it's blogs, you're embedding videos into blog posts, or you are uploading transcripts of your podcast. Now, let's pretend that you are creating content, you are keeping your website up to date, but it's still not bringing in clients. My question would be, is it clear what you do, or is your website totally lacking focus? There have been numerous times that I have gone to someone's website and I'm like, I don't know what you offer. You kind of mention some things, but there's not really specific information about I can hire you for this, or I can pay you for this, or how long does it last? Or I've been on websites where it's like, I'm a wedding planner and I do interior design. I'm a dietitian, but I'm also a business coach. There are certain things out there that can go together. You can combine multiple different services or kind of 2 different brands under one umbrella, but sometimes things are a little too separate and you need separate websites. If I'm, for some reason, ever gonna need brain surgery, I want a doctor who specializes in brain surgery. I don't wanna pull up a doctor's website and he's like, I also am a vet and I am a dentist and I can perform brain surgery. You might be really smart, but I want someone who really focuses and specializes in brain surgery. And last but not least, your website might not be bringing you clients because it doesn't look like a business website. And I mean a few different things by looking like a business website, and none of them are that it has to be a really boring, bland website. But first, if you are a blogger who is kind of transitioning into becoming a business owner, you need to make it look like a business website, not like you're just a blogger. And second, I also mean it literally has to look professional. Again, that doesn't mean bland or boring. I know plenty of fun, bright, bold business websites, but if you don't look professional, if you don't sound professional, that could be costing you clients. So if you want a website that actually starts bringing you clients, you need to make sure you're actually driving people to the website. You need to make sure it's super clear what you do and who for, and you need to make sure you sound and look like a business. If you need help getting started with content creation, be sure to check out the link in the description below for something new coming out in just a few weeks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.